world is watching. These two men, Peter Chikuniak and Jeremy Cooper, now taking a huge gamble in a police brutality case that has gripped Aurora. The Colorado Court of Appeals just reversing their criminally negligent homicide convictions, ordering new trials in the death of Elijah McClain. The 23-year-old died in 2019 after he was forcibly detained by Aurora police while walking home from a convenience store. When officers claimed McClain was resisting, the paramedics injected him with an overdose of ketamine. He went into cardiac arrest on the way to the hospital and died 3 days later. Now, nearly 7 years later, the Court of Appeals decision is sending shockwaves through our state.
Community leaders will hold a press conference tomorrow morning. Your reporter in Aurora, Tori Mason, joins us live tonight. And Tori, when it comes to the legal situation, it's still unclear what might happen next.
Yes, well, this appeal could go a few ways, but the ruling doesn't mean that the appeals court disagrees with the jury's conclusion. Much of the community is very upset about this, but truth of the matter is, courts care more about whether or not defendants got fair trials.
We are baffled. We are disrupted. We are angry.
Activist Median Schaffner was among the thousands who marched for Elijah McClain. They're prepared to march again after a court decision reopened painful wounds.
We thought that we got justice in some sense as it pertains to Elijah's case. And now you are stripping that away, citing things that are so nonsensical.
The Court of Appeals reversed the criminally negligent homicide convictions against former paramedics Jeremy Cooper and Peter Chikuniak, agreeing the judge failed to adequately define the medic standard of care.
What they're really saying is that the paramedics didn't get a fair trial because of that defective jury instruction or lack of jury instructions.
Legal analyst Raj Chauhan says the court's decision opens several paths forward.
There could be a move to appeal this to the Colorado Supreme Court. Secondly, they could just retry the case. Third, they might offer more favorable plea bargain terms and see if they can just settle it.
Colorado Attorney General Phil Weiser issued a statement saying, in part, the Attorney General's office is committed to defending these convictions through the appeals process. Justice demands it.
There is a possibility that they might be convicted of more charges and that they might face a stiffer sentence. But that's ultimately going to be up to whether or not the prosecution extends another plea bargain offer.
He says the paramedics are likely trying for a better result to clear their names.
This is ridiculous.
Supporters of McClain say another trial means reliving a nightmare.
What are we asking them to live through yet again?
Now, those community leaders are holding an emergency news conference in Denver tomorrow. We'll be there to hear their response and what they believe the next steps should be. We're live in Denver. I'm Tori Mason, covering Colorado First.
We're sure a lot of community members are going to speak up. Tori, thank you.